in action. We're back in the action, boys. Been a long time again, man. You know who brings me back to the YouTube though? Icegiant, my favorite people. Check them out. You know, we unboxed this a little while ago from them. They sent me a care package and I thought, you know what? I think it's time to do another YouTube video. Also, I miss you guys. Last video I said I was gonna, you know, do a video quicker and then I got busy with the things that I was doing. This one? Motherfucker. Fuck! My shirt's inside out. That's fun. I just went to lunch with at least 7 people that chose not to say anything to me. Do I have a tag on the back? Yeah, a little bit. Alright, you see the size and all. You know, like, I don't want to be that pissed start the video, but I'm a little pissed off now. Icegiant might bring me back in a better mood. Link down below. Now, obviously, I gotta say, for the legal reasons, sponsored, but chosen by me. I actually hit them up. I was like, hey, I like you guys this much after this review, where I said, you know what? Maybe we should do another video. They didn't hesitate. Icegiant with the jewelry. Let's get into it. Boys, thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to film more. Like I said last video, working on some things right now. You know what I mean? That like are not YouTube based, but based on probably a bad sign if you can't like even word it yourself. Entrepreneurship things. You know what I mean? I'm trying to become a millionaire. We're not doing too well. Anyway, Icegiant, let's go. Thumbs up, comment. Love you guys. Missed you. Alright, Icegiant, like I say, boys, we're not gonna, like, I don't want to speed through this process. I'm more so stressed, though. Here's the package, Icegiant. You know I love you. You know, I will say, whoever I'm talking to on the Instagram with Icegiant, they're chill as hell, bro. I just like them. And I like the people that surround Icegiant, I guess. I don't know. Their quality is dope. You guys like jewelry. We've been doing it for too long, bro. I think maybe at one point, we do, like, some jewelry videos and some other things. I don't know. Brain's going everywhere right now. You know why? I have a wedding that I have to be at in about an hour and maybe a half, and I'm part of the wedding party. I have to do a speech. I haven't written the speech yet, so I might just wing it. I don't know who the hell let me do that, but anyway, I'm definitely gonna wing it. Boys, Icegiant unboxing. I'm freaking stoked. We got a dart here. We also have a dartboard. You know, I got this brand new basement all done. Put up the dartboard and forgot maybe I should use a backer for the dartboard so my wall doesn't absolutely get destroyed. It's destroyed. There's holes everywhere. I'm not too good. I think I hit the dartboard, you know, 1 out of 100 times. Boys, once again, links down below. This isn't really in-your-face type sponsorship because I'm actually very excited to see what they gave me. I still wear the jewelry, boys, even though we're not doing the videos as much, but Icegiant right here, the bag. It's a bag. I care, but I don't that much. You know, it's just, it kind of is what it is. It's like cool. That's what I've always been wondering. Like, they give you the bag, that's awesome, but like, I ain't walking out of the store with it. You know what I mean? I got it online, so I've always been a little curious why the bag comes with it, boys. Let's see what we have. Also, I think I don't know. I think they had a birthday or something coming up, or it's already happened. I'm not really sure. All right, thoughts regained. I took a couple notes about the speech. You know what I mean? There's like 4 or 5 F words in there. They're very religious. I think that's funny. Personally, we're gonna see how it goes. Anyway, love the packaging, the boxing. I don't really genuinely care too much about how the box looks. I just like to know what's inside. Now, what one do I open? There's 2 things that we're unboxing today, boys. Links down below if you'd like to see. Very nice felt. You know, we have probably some more BS here. Sorry, Icegiant. Oh, okay, this is sick. Little cleaning cloth. That's awesome. That's actually always. We have 2 cleaning cloths. Yes! Let's freaking go! I'm a big bracelet guy. You guys know for a long time. Dude, I had no idea. Okay, this is sweet. You guys have known for a long time. I've always been a ring guy, but then I realized that with my jewelry, I was kind of lacking on the wrist scenario, you know what I mean? They really shrink wrap these, bro. That looks blingy. It ain't just the lighting, boys. That is blingy as hell. I hate how I said blingy. I don't want to say it like that. We have the Icegiant bracelet right here. I just want you guys to look at the setting right now, actually. I can see they're actually set. It's the main thing I look for. No way. What? 925. Bro, this is silver? Screw Icegiant, bro. I am taking this straight to the metal shop and I'm getting the silver out of it. No, just kidding. I won't do that. I think Icegiant S925, that's silver. Okay, we got a fancy clasp here, and I'm not really good at those. You guys know I buy a bunch of cheap stuff online, so when they start to get a little fancy, I get a little freaked out. Oh, there's a button. That right there is actually a button. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it fits freaking perfect. It fits freaking perfect. This is so sick. You know what? I'm wearing it to the wedding today. I promise you. I promise you. You know, I'm going blinged out. I'm gonna try to be the center of attention. No, I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Should I? No. You can't really do goofs at weddings is what I've found out. People don't really like goofs, you know? Update, diamond tested and confirmed. Sorry, I had to do it off camera. I was looking on the website right here. Boys, this is Moissanite as well. I'm gonna have the little link down below for y'all. Little test right there. That beep, we like it. Moissanite, real silver. This is insane. I show my balls, and I'll let you guys just go check down below the price, bro. I couldn't even believe how much this was, like in a good way. That is passing every single freaking time. Every time I do that, I'm just hitting metal. That's just my shaky hands a little bit. Now we'll stop there. You guys already saw. All right, next, let's go. Okay. I might have been shaking it around a little bit. No, that's definitely UPS, whatever. Damn! And here's the Icegiant watch, boys. So I think this one also, with the research I did off camera, is Moissanite. So we're gonna test that out a little bit. This is beautiful. And you know what? As much as I want this so bad, man, I don't know if you remember cameraman Ian. He's been looking for a new watch, and I would love to give this to him. Old cameraman Ian. Oh my God. And on the back here, boys, you know what that means. I don't know the actual name. Right there, I'm pointing. But that's not battery powered. That's the real, that's the picker thing. And that's what, oh my God, that's what makes it run. This is a beautifully made piece. You can really see the diamonds on there. Just beautiful. Yeah, I want to leave this new so Ian can definitely enjoy that and unwrap it himself. This is supposed to be an unboxing, but I gotta give my boy a little something here. The classic clasp, you know, if you've got a cool Rolex or something. I'm pretty sure the Rolexes have those. I should know because I have like 40 Rolexes and 50 APs and stuff like that. Dude, pair it together. Now I don't really want to give it to Ian. We gotta do the diamond test. You know, maybe we'll do a video with Ian with me giving it to him too, because he's been really looking for a watch. I love the, what's the inside there? Is that the face? That's the face of the watch, right? This is the dial. That's like, I ain't gonna lie, boys, I also smoke a little weed before going to this wedding, which I probably shouldn't have. You know, I'm all a little nervous to write this speech that I haven't written, but dude, here's that freaking diamond tester. It's engaged. It's gonna be Moissanite. Beauty. Moissanite all around. Doing a bunch of different ones. What a beautiful piece, boys. Icegiant, I love you guys. I love them, bro. I love them. Like I said, I hit them up. They didn't even hit me up. I just, I love to show you guys their pieces because I really do think they're actually putting out quality, and y'all are spending a lot of money on like a lot of BS product because they know how to like market it to you or sell it to you, but it's not that good. You know what I mean? And this one I actually feel good in my heart kind of promoting, and I'm wearing myself. Dope, man. Icegiant, love you guys so much. You guys, I love you so much. Go check them out if you'd like to. If not, I don't care. It's up to you. Just a beautiful piece all around. This one as well. Clasp. I still gotta figure out how to do that thing, you know? Okay, so lock's there. Pull up this little lever here. Click the button. And I'm out. I'm free. I'm free from jail. You don't want to go to jail, boys. It's not fun. Peace. Love you guys. Icegiant, link down below. Blah, blah, blah. Bye.